What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Key, aka Steve Killer 215, and today we back with another video. This video should have been did a while ago. What happened? What happened was on the release date, I tried to get these and they sold out, so I couldn't get them. I called, what was it, JD's Sporting Goods or whatever it was. I called them, and the girl told me that they had a release going out at 5 o'clock p.m. So it's like first come first serve type stuff. So I pulled up. I think I pulled up like around maybe 4:30ish, something like that. But they already had a long line. Long story short, I didn't end up getting my pair. 9.5 was gone. 10.5, anything. I think all they had was kid size. Yeah, something like that. But anyways, I went on GOAT and I was able to get this. Got my hands on these. Took a little while for it to get here. You know how GOAT is. I didn't pay for that premium, nothing. I just got the regular. I'm not gonna tell you how much I paid for them because I didn't win these guys. I didn't get them from the steal, nothing like that. I had to pay real resale price. You feel what I'm saying? And I'm not too happy about it, but it is what it is. I really wanted these. So I got my hands on them. And if you're new here, thank you for stopping by, subscribing, liking, kicking it with me. You know how it is, man. Let's get right into it. The Jordan 4 Reimagined. Look at these. Took me a while to get my hands on these. I think today is what, the 20, let me see if I'm not mistaken. Today is the 26th. These came out on the 17th of February. So yeah, it's like, took us about 2 weeks to get our hands on these. About 2 weeks, just roughly about 2 weeks. But yeah, man, finally got our hands on these, and I can see what the hype is all about. I like them. The build quality is very, very sturdy. I like it. Leather quality is on point. Tumbled just right. Got a little stitch, a patch, a little tab thing right there. It says Nike Air, you know. Boom. So yeah, man, let's get right into it. You got leather all in the upper. Toe action, all leather. Look at that. Yeah, all leather. Okay. On the toe, going up here to the tongue. See underneath there, black caging. On the bottom of there, we got all black. All black, man. Thin, like tongue action. Look at that. Nice. There's flight over there. Pull action right here. Look at this. Beautiful, man. On the back, Nike Air. Just a typical black Jordan 4s, man. Reimagined. Like I said, I didn't have my hands on the previous pair that dropped, so I don't know what to expect. But I am pretty much blown away by the quality of this. Very, very sturdy. Got the Widow's Peak right there. Boom. Everybody's talking about that. So it's right there, Widow's Peak. I got these from GOAT, man. So yeah, didn't win these. This is a 9.5, by the way. Did not win them. Boo, yeah, I know, right? Shit. I tried though. I tried, and I also went to the store, drove all the way out there just to be disappointed, you know what I mean? So, look, man, I had to get my hands on them. Spent a little extra just to get my hands on these. So, look, man, I'm satisfied, you feel me? Come with tissue paper on the inside, red on the inside. Don't know how I feel about this gray right here. It might get dirty. Don't put no black socks in here. Use white. You feel me? But yeah, go with your opinion, man. Do what you want. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, pretty much nice all the way around. Sturdy built. Can't go wrong with these, man. I think this is the anticipated shoe of the year that dropped this year, 2024. Look, man, that's what I think, in my opinion. The hype is released so far. They sold out instantly. Couldn't get my hands on them. But yeah, man, so was able to get it from the back door, you know, GOAT. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, man, check out the on feet. I'm coming to you right now. Right now. Oh, wait. Before we throw the on feet on, I just want to say thank you guys for liking, subscribing, commenting, all that good stuff, man. I'm telling you, it's helping the channel grow. We're getting up there. We're almost at 500 subscribers now. Almost at that 1K. You feel what I'm saying? So you guys are doing great. You feel what I'm saying? Just keep doing what you guys are doing, and we're on our way there. Just keep us in the algorithm, and pretty soon we'll be there, man. Start doing a whole lot more stuff with this channel, like giveaway, all kinds of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at this beautiful shoe, man. Look at this. Look at this quality. But yeah, on feet's coming to you guys right now, right now, right now.
Static got the sauce with it.